Citroën's light commercial vehicle division has chosen the Geneva Motor Show 2015 to preview the new Berlingo Multi-Space, by showing it in the form of a concept called the Mountain Vibe. While the Berlingo itself will be nothing better than a facelift with slightly more efficient engines available, the concept is something special, which is why we decided to check it out ourselves in Geneva. A bold color combination has been used, where the majority of the paint job is done in mountain green, a very pale shade, while the accents added about are pink. Special graphics that look like the printout of a map were also added, and the black alloys are accompanied by red snow chains. Unfortunately, Citroën didn't allow us to look inside, but we were told that the cabin also gets its fair share of pink in the stitching of the grey fabric seats. The concept also featuring a glazed Magitop roof as well. When entering production, the new Berlingo will be equipped with an active city brake system for the first time ever, together with parking sensors and a rear-view camera. Inside, a 7-inch touchscreen is the only major update. The rest of it cabin still looks like it belongs in the 90s, which is a shame considering how well Volkswagen has redesigned the Caddy. The Citroën is going to be offered with 3 diesel engines, making 75 PS, 100 PS and a brand new Blue EV 120 SNS unit available for the first time. An electric version will also be introduced with 170 kilometers, 106 miles, of Kangoo ZE fighting range. Orders will begin being taken in November 2015 for the French market, but it won't be until early 2016 that the rest of Europe gets this updated Berlingo.